Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making pizza casserole. Alright guys, I'm starting out here in my skillet. I have roughly about a pound of ground beef that I browned up and I drained off the excess grease. Now I have a 23-ounce jar of marinara sauce. You use any kind of red sauce you like. Pizza sauce, pasta sauce. I'm just going with marinara today, guys. I'm going to stir some of this in here. Dexter, you saying hi to everybody? And I think I'm just going to go for about a half of the jar. Save the rest. The kids can use that to dip some cheese sticks in or something. And I'm just going to let this simmer here on low heat while we go ahead and make the rest of our casserole. Okay guys, I have a 9x13 baking pan here. This is stoneware. You could also use a stainless steel or non-stick, whatever you have. I'm going to spray this with some cooking spray. And this is important because you don't want your crust to stick. And this isn't a pasta pizza casserole. This is like an actual pizza, guys. Alright. Now I have a can of flaky biscuits here. I bought 2 of them. I'm not sure if I'm going to need both of them or just one. We're going to start out with one for now. I'm going to go ahead and stick my biscuits in here and just spread them out some. Just want to flatten them down. Like 2 per row. And I have my sauce over here simmering away. And guys, this is a fairly easy, I'm going to overlap my biscuits here. So we try to get a solid base. It's a fairly easy recipe, guys. And you want to kind of like mash your biscuits together to try to make one solid layer. And I'm probably going to have to use that second can, but that's no worries. Okay, now I'm going to finish spreading my biscuits out here on the bottom of my pan, and when I get this done, I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, now that I have my biscuits all spread out, and I took some and I ripped them in half to finish the pan out. Now the leftover biscuits I'll just throw in the oven and we'll just eat them as biscuits. They're not going to go to waste. So I took 2 cans, and I used flaky biscuits. Now I'm going to take my sauce with the ground beef in it that I set aside here and simmer, and I'm going to spread this out over top of the biscuits or the crust that we're having here. Guys, you can also put some ground sausage in with your ground beef if you wanted to. That would go good as well. You just want to spread this out evenly. Alright, that's looking good. Okay guys, now that I have my sauce and ground beef on the biscuits, I'm going to spread some Italian blend cheese on here. You can also use just mozzarella cheese if you like. But the Italian blend's got a couple different types of cheese in there, and it's already pre-mixed for you, so you can't go wrong with that. And you just want to put a nice healthy layer of cheese on there. Alright guys, that's looking good. Now I have some pepperoni here. I'm going to put some pepperoni on there. And you just want to cover your whole pizza in pepperoni. Alright guys, now that I have all my pepperoni on my pizza here, I have a few extra pieces. I guess I better eat them. You can put any kind of toppings you like in this. I'm just going with onion and green pepper. Mushrooms would be great on here too, but my son Eric does not like mushrooms, so I can't put them on, or I'd love to, because I love mushrooms. And you just want to scatter it out on there. And then I have some onion here that I finely sliced. We're going to throw that on there. Now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to put this in a 350-degree oven for 20 minutes to a half hour until all of my toppings are cooked through and that crust, the biscuits on the bottom, are nice and baked through and crunchy. Then we'll pull this out and it'll be ready to go. Alright guys, this is done. It actually took 40 minutes. It took a little longer for those vegetables to get done than I thought it would. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, I'm going to get in here and give this a try. You can see this looks like a deep dish pizza. try this. My biscuit's done. That's really good, guys. You get that fluffy biscuit in there, and it's not burnt or anything. It's done just right. You taste the sauce and you taste the vegetables coming through. Some pepperoni. That's really delicious, guys. That's like a pizza you pick up at your local pizza shop. Alright, there you have it. Pizza casserole. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.